Welcome aboard. I have been quietly following the crypto market for a long time, and every piece of news I come across makes me incredibly happy. I made predictions about this period about 1.5 years ago. In my video explaining the prophecies of the Simpsons, I emphasized many predictions about the future world and that Bitcoin and gold will rise. The Simpsons and my predictions have come true. Bitcoin broke the $100,000 resistance this week. This means the highest value of all time. Many coins in the crypto market have broken their own records. BNB coin broke its own record by surpassing $800 this week. Elon Musk's coin, Dogecoin, has risen to an enormous level. Gaming projects have also provided good profits for their users. After successive announcements from around the world, we started to see signs of the bull season. Important leaders said that no one can influence Bitcoin and talked about Bitcoin being like digital gold. Virgin Voyages became the first cruise company to accept Bitcoin as a payment method. With similar statements, Bitcoin has become an unstoppable force. For a long time, I've been making videos about Telegram bots. MemeFI has distributed nice rewards to its users and has entered its second season. Bots like Blum and Banana are still ongoing. I will prepare a detailed list for this. As Bitcoin rises, the importance of airdrops has also increased. Today, I even considered selling human coin, in which I had losses when I invested years ago. On the other hand, the current value of Casper coin, which I also invested in years ago, makes me happy. Bitcoin has become an unstoppable force, and I believe its value will continue to rise. In these processes, airdrops, launchpads, and new projects are twice as valuable. Airdrops like Linnea must definitely be followed. I will continue to share many opportunities and potential projects with you on this channel. Be patient and avoid investing without research. I love you so much, my crypto family. Stay safe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.